Now, some of you may be familiar with soldering copper with one of these, but what if you're trying to solder some electrical wiring? Now, you can't torch that wiring with this because you melt the plastic right off. So for that, we have this fitting. Okay, you attach this fitting here, tighten it up. But here's the thing. Now, this tip has to go right in there. So you have to know how far you actually need to go. And if you can see, let's make it to where you can actually see the hole where it actually, you want to make sure that the tip doesn't cover this hole. Okay, so as soon as it gets to the edge, you tighten this up. Once that's done, then you can actually start it up and start heating the tip. Here we go. Now you have to see the burning of the flame coming out the sides. That way you know it's actually heating properly, and the color has to be exactly the way you see it now, nice and blue. Now, once that's done, you can actually test the heat of the tip by putting some solder on there, and you'll know when it's ready. Well, there it is. I don't know if you can see the solder right in there, melting right on the tip. There you go. See that? Have solder there. You're already ready to solder some wires, and for that, you don't have to keep the flame on.